Hi everyone, welcome to the video. So this is a demonstration on the StarLine E9 alarm. We've installed it on this Lexus LC500 and we've added some extra features to make sure it's extra secure for this type of vehicle. So as you may know, on Toyota and Lexus vehicles, the main way these vehicles are stolen is through the passenger wheel arch, where you access the wiring harness for the headlight. From there, the thieves are able to unlock and start the vehicle. So what we've done on this system is also add a shock sensor. So if you give it, even if you touch it here, it sets off a warning trap, and then on a larger impact, it will set off the full alarm. The full alarm is also connected to the horn, so that the horn will be honking. So we're just going to show you how all of that works now. So the alarm will work through your factory key. As long as you've got your StarLine security tag with you, everything is going to work through your factory key. So when you unlock, you hear a double chirp, and then when you lock, you hear a single chirp. Double chirp means disarmed, single chirp means armed. Once it's armed, all the external sensors are activated. So if I was to touch it lightly here, you can see it sets off the warning alarm. Now if I was to give that a bigger impact and start pulling on it, you can see the horn is honking, creating a lot of commotion and audible deterrent to stop anyone from being able to carry on working on the car to steal it. So we're now inside the vehicle. We've disarmed the alarm system by pressing unlock on the factory key, and that's only going to work as long as your StarLine security tag is present. If this tag is not present and someone has cloned your key and presses unlock, the instant the door is opened, the alarm will go off and the horn will start honking like earlier before. So although the alarm system is disarmed, the immobiliser is still active. So if I was to go ahead and try and start now, you can see it doesn't say ready to drive. The hybrid system is still deactivated. So the immobiliser is controlled using factory buttons. You'll need to enter a secret code. If you don't like this function and you want everything working through the security tag, that can also be done. The good thing about the StarLine system is very customizable, and we can customize it to meet your needs. So I'm going to turn the ignition on and I'm going to put the secret code in. I'm not going to show the code on camera because it is a customer's vehicle. You're going to get 2 flashes here. That confirms the immobiliser is deactivated. I can now put my foot on the brake and press start, and you can see the system is now ready to drive. So the alarm is controlled using your factory key and the StarLine tag, and the immobiliser is controlled using the factory buttons. This provides 2 layers of protection. Even if someone was to steal your key and get into the car, they're still not going to be able to drive. And if anyone tries to tamper with the headlight wiring harness or the passenger wheel arch, which is the most common way Toyota and Lexus vehicles are stolen, the alarm will go off and the horn will start honking. So what we've done now is get our security tag and place it inside this Faraday pouch to block the signal. So let's assume someone has cloned your key. They don't have your security tag, but they've cloned your key and they press unlock. When you press unlock, you can see that you don't get the double chirp from the alarm system to show it's disarmed. So although the vehicle is unlocked, the system is disarmed. Is not disarmed, sorry. When you open the door, it's starting a countdown where it's looking for the tag. And now you can see. So we reintroduced the tag and pressed unlock on the factory key. As soon as you press unlock on the factory key, the alarm will deactivate and the system is now disarmed. That's the StarLine system. If you're interested in getting one installed or you need a bit more information, give us a call on 0330 133 1518.